Hi, it's Jacob here, and in this short quick tip video, I'm going to show you how you can create an automation and a scene using the Home app. Essentially, these are quick ways of controlling multiple accessories at the same time, either manually or automatically. I'm going to control several different sets of Christmas lights in my house, but of course it can work for anything you've got in the Home app. So right now I've got 5 different sets of lights, but to turn them all on, I have to scroll through the whole Home app and find each one, then tap them individually. This works, and it's not the end of the world, but there is a quicker way. So I'm going to press the plus button at the top, and I'm going to create a new scene. Now the first thing to do is to give our scene a name. I'm going to simply call mine Christmas. Then on the next screen, we're going to choose all of the accessories that are part of this scene. So here's where I can scroll through my list and select the 5 different sets of Christmas lights I've got. All of these are controlled by smart plugs, and in the previous video, which I'll link above, I showed you how to add a smart plug really easily into the Home app. The next thing to do is to choose an icon or a symbol for this particular group. I'm going to choose a snowflake and make it blue just like this. And then when I press the tick in the top corner, we're good to go. At the very top of the Home app, just underneath the canvas there, you'll see my new Christmas scene. And I can simply turn this on to turn all 5 sets of lights on, or turn it off to turn all 5 sets of lights off. It's basically grouped them together into one easy-to-use button for me. And this is certainly easier, especially if you've got lots of different things that you want to control at once. But we can go one step further, and we can actually automate this completely, so they turn on automatically every night as the sun comes down. So I'll press the plus button again in the top corner, and this time we'll add an automation. There are several different types of automations that you can create, but the one I want is based on the time of day, so I'll select that here. Now we could specify an exact time here, but I'm going to go for sunset instead. That means it will change as the winter goes on. If I press the little information icon, I can also have an offset on that time. So for example, the lights can come on half an hour before sunset, or 20 minutes after, whatever you prefer. Then we can choose what day of the week you want this automation to run on. For me, I'm going to do the whole week. There's also the option to choose if this automation should run when there's someone at home or when there's no one at home, which can be really good if you want to automate your lights when you go away for a holiday, for example. I'm going to leave mine exactly as it is. These lights should come on and off regardless whether someone's at home. Then on the next screen, we can choose the scene that we want to activate with this automation. I'm simply going to choose Christmas. You can also choose individual accessories at this point, but because we've made that scene already, it makes sense to choose that. And then when I press next, the final thing to do is to choose when it should turn off. So I can tap onto here, and I can then choose any period of time after it turns on for it to automatically turn off again. I'm going to choose 4 hours, but you could make a second automation of a set time, so they always go off at 10 PM, for example. And now, as easily as that, all of my lights are linked up to an automation, so half an hour before sunset, all my Christmas lights should turn on, and then 4 hours later they should go off. You can see it on the automation screen here along with other ones I've got set up, and it really is that simple. We've now grouped and automated all of our Christmas lights for the year. And of course, this works on any accessory in the Home app. So, if you want to see what else your iPhone can do, check out my channel down below, and I'll see you for another quick tip soon.